The stars above have always been a source of wonder. Their silent dance weaves tales of destiny, fate, and mystery among the countless lights of history who have sought to interpret these celestial whispers. One name stands out: Nostradamus, a prophet, a visionary, a man whose nows transcend the limits of time itself. His prophecies have guided generations, revealing the secrets not only of global revolutions but of profound personal journeys. And now his vision has come to the fore on January 2.5, a month that promises to redefine destiny for the 5 lucky zodiac signs. Are you ready to face what the universe has in store? Imagine this: a massive jackpot worth up to $1 billion, an unimaginable fortune waiting to reshape lives. This is not the stuff of fantasy. The heavens are aligned in a way never seen before, cosmic energy that will open doors to extraordinary financial opportunities for the 5 luckiest zodiac signs. This alignment could mean the dawn, a time when dreams meet reality and the stars illuminate a path to unparalleled wealth. This momentous event has its roots in the cosmos. Pluto in Aquarius is set to spark profound financial change and a rebirth of fortunes, while the sun rises in Capricorn. Its steady light will strengthen focus and determination to achieve monumental goals. Mars in Virgo adds its fiery energy, driving bold and decisive action that can lead to remarkable achievements. This trifecta of planetary influence creates the perfect storm for those destined to harness its power. But here is the question: do you have the courage to uncover if you are among the chosen? The universe does not play favorites, it rewards those who dare to believe. As the calendar shifts to January, the energy in the air will be almost electric. It is more than money on the line. This is a shift in the very fabric of existence, a chance to align your life with the greater forces of the universe. Imagine yourself standing in the abyss of change your destiny is about to unfold with every decision you make. If you truly desire to claim this extraordinary fortune, the path is simple yet profound. Begin by affirming your readiness. Say it out loud, write it down clearly: I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. This is more than a declaration, it is a call to the Almighty, an acknowledgement of your readiness to receive the gifts it has prepared for you. By accepting this moment, you are sending a signal that aligns your energy with the grand design of the cosmos. But do not stop there. The journey requires your attention, your presence. As Nostradamus once declared, fortune favors the brave, the helpful, and the prepared. This January, stay vigilant. The universe will speak louder than ever, offering signs, opportunity, and breakthroughs to those who listen. Of course, wealth is more than just numbers in a bank account. Ancient teachings are remind us that true abundance is in valence. According to Buddhist philosophy, abundance is the result of your planted acts of kindness, generosity, and thoughts that flow throughout the fabric of existence. Financial success is just one thread in this vast tapestry, a reflection of your alignment with universal unity. As January 25th approaches, mark your calendars and open your heart to possibilities. The planets are shifting, the stars are aligning, and destiny is preparing to reveal its hand. Are you ready to take your place among the select few? This could be your moment, your turning point. Listen to the universe, it calls your name. When you act with goodwill and align your intentions with positivity, the universe responds in ways that defy explanation. It is a principle as old as time, but it will take on a new dimension. This January 25th, 5 zodiac signs are poised to experience a financial explosion, whether through an unexpected windfall, a lucrative opportunity, or a life-changing stroke of fate. The stars are whispering secrets, and the universe is preparing to reveal its hand. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Then join me by signaling your energy in the comments below. Just type 1 to prove your excitement, or 2 if this path is not for you. Your feedback helps fuel these insights that keep the connection between us alive. Now let's dive into how the stars align for these lucky signs. Capricorn, your moment has arrived. If you think this month will be like any other, prepare to be amazed. You have always been a symbol of perseverance, determination, and relentless pursuit of success, but this January the universe aligns in your favor. As usual, the sun continues to shine brightly in your sign until January 1st, giving you focus and clarity on your financial goals. At the same time, Pluto's influence in Aquarius is reshaping your financial strategies, offering the opportunity to build structures of long-term stability. This is not a short-term moment, this is a cosmic green light for bold moves and smart investments. Your meticulous planning and unwavering intuition. This month's biggest asset is real estate opportunities. Long-term investment or transformation business ventures are in your hands. But remember, Capricorn, true wealth is more than the numbers in your bank account. According to ancient Buddhist teachings, the seeds of kindness, dedication, and mindfulness you have sown are now blooming. Your harvest will be far greater than the financial rewards. This is the fulfillment of a balanced and purposeful life. This is your time to not only achieve personal abundance but also use your resources to create meaningful change in the world. Imagine the ripple effect of your success, helping others, building sustainable value, and spreading positive energy. This is the peak of true prosperity. To fully embrace this energy, declare your intentions to the universe by affirming, I am ready to build long-term success and spread prosperity. With this powerful statement, you are sending a clear signal that you are ready to accept abundance responsibly. Now we turn to Taurus, another sign blessed with Extraordinary opportunities this January for you this month is not just another page on the calendar. This is a turning point. Jupiter, the planet of luck and prosperity, shines directly on you, opening doors to financial growth and success. Known for your stability and natural qualities, these qualities will propel you to new heights. Have you ever felt the anticipation of a breakthrough that is near? That moment is now. Jupiter's influence not only brings good times, it gives you the opportunity to capitalize on it. Sustainable investments in agriculture, green technology, or real estate can be the foundation of your financial future. More than that, an unexpected windfall or profitable deal may appear that is completely in line with your dreams. It is time to take action. Your what were once just ideas are now blossoming into tangible results. Under Jupiter's guidance, the universe is creating a flow of abundance surrounding you, urging you to lay a lasting foundation. This is more than just financial prosperity. This is the manifestation of the stability and security you have been looking for so long. Prepare yourself, Taurus, because the stars are aligned with your favor. The opportunities ahead are not just about wealth, they are about realizing your potential and making your dreams come true. Trust the process and let the universe guide your steps towards a brighter, more prosperous future. Taurus, your steadfast determination will always be your guiding star. You have mastered the art of setting clear goals and accomplishing them with unwavering perseverance. This January, the energy of Jupiter will strengthen your natural intuition, which will register your ability to recognize opportunities that others may overlook. Your gift for seeing the bigger picture and analyzing each step with precision will set you apart. Now is the time to step outside your comfort zone and take bold steps towards a brighter future. But remember, Taurus, the wealth you acquire is not just measured in dollars and cents. According to ancient Buddhist teachings, true happiness lies in the balance within the soul and the world around you. Material gains find their deepest meaning when used to spread the joy and make a difference in the lives of others. Your tireless efforts to live with kindness, your generosity in sharing and persevering through challenges have laid the foundation for this moment. The universe is watching, and now is your chance to reap the blessings you deserve. Think about it. Every step you take in January brings great rewards. Smart investments, successful business ventures, and the unwavering support of your loved ones will combine to make this a month of extraordinary achievements. Taurus, you are not just achieving abundance, you are building a legacy, a lasting impact that will go beyond the present moment. Jupiter's influence is more than luck, it is the driving force that inspires you to go further than you thought possible. Trust yourself this month, seize every opportunity, and take the calculated risks that come your way. Success is not just a destination, it is a journey full of opportunities to create goodness and value. Use your newfound wealth to build, share, and make a positive impact in your community. This the secret to not only prosperity but true fulfillment in life. Affirm your readiness by declaring, I attract abundance, and I will use it to create sustainable value. This is not just a statement, it is a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to receive its blessings. Taurus, this is your moment to shine now. Aquarius, January 2025 will be anything but ordinary for you. It is time to break free from old limitations and achieve great success. With Pluto entering your sign, a surge of formative energy surrounds you, offering the opportunity to rebuild and grow. As the Sun enters Aquarius on January 2nd, it will light your path with creativity that will bring opportunities that will redefine your future. Have you felt the winds of change swirling around you, whispering something new starting this month? The energy of Pluto will help you break through the barriers that once held you back, opening doors that lead to abundance and success. The opportunities that await you are not, they are calling your name. Whether it is creative projects, innovative technologies, or business ideas that are making a difference, you will find yourself at the forefront of change. Think of it as a groundbreaking tech project, a sustainable business movement, or even financial support from a major organization. Becoming the vehicle for your vision, your vivid imagination and strong ability to innovate will make these ideas a reality. Aquarius, you have always been known for your creativity and forward thinking. Now these qualities will be the key to unlocking significant financial success. Pluto's transforming energy will not only guide you to new opportunities, it will empower you to rebuild on a solid foundation. This is your time to embrace change, using your vision and innovation to create lasting value not only for yourself, but for your community. With each step you take, not only achieve personal growth, but also drive positive change in the world around you. Yet true success is not measured solely in material wealth. According to Buddhist teachings, inner peace and the ability spreading happiness is the true wealth in the coming. Financial opportunities you have never imagined. You will have the power to lift others up and make the world a better place. Use this energy with passion, Aquarius, and watch as the universe rewards your efforts with abundance and fulfillment. Aquarius, can you feel it? The air is charged with possibility. Your old ideas that were once distant dreams are taking shape and becoming reality. You are not just a participant in this time of change, you are leading the charge. From revolutionary technology and influential business ventures to community-driven movements, you are creating ripples that will ripple out of this moment. January is not just another month for you, it is your chance to reshape your future and leave an indelible mark on the world around you. Trust your abilities, Aquarius, and use the powerful energy of the stars to ascend to a new level. This is your time to bring to life long-held ideas, to overcome obstacles, and create something meaningful. The financial opportunities and creative successes you achieve this month will not only bring you abundance but will also establish a lasting legacy. Affirm your readiness by declaring, "I receive the creative energy and abundance from the universe." This is not just a statement, it is a powerful declaration, a signal to the cosmos that you are ready to embrace your destiny. Aquarius, this is your moment to shine. Virgo, January 2025 is a month written in the stars just for you. Your natural focus, detailed planning, and decisive energy is about to take center stage. With Mars transiting your sign, a surge of action-oriented energy will empower you to tackle financial challenges with precision and unlock amazing opportunities for growth. This is the month where all that you have meticulously prepared will begin to bear fruit. The investments you have nurtured, the ideas you have refined, and strategies you have developed are poised to deliver extraordinary results. Whether it is optimizing savings, management resources, or the release of unexpected income streams, you will find yourself in a position to take significant steps forward. Have you ever felt that your hard work was on the verge of paying off? With the placement of Mars in your energy, that moment has arrived. It is not just about solving problems, it is about expanding your horizons. The universe is opening doors, allowing you to use your intelligence and prudence to raise your financial standards. Virgo, your meticulousness has always been your greatest strength, and this January it will lead you to achievements that exceed your expectations. Mars urges you to take bolder steps outside your comfort zone and embrace smart investments that can yield surprising returns. This is your chance to maximize every financial opportunity and gain a sustainable foundation for your future. But remember, Virgo, success is not just about wealth. According to Buddhist teachings, true prosperity comes from inner peace and gratitude. As you take advantage of these incredible opportunities, you will also put yourself in a position to lift others up and spread positivity. Living with generosity and gratitude will ensure that the blessings from the universe continue to flow. Think about it. Every step you take this month brings worthy rewards. Carefully managed projects, high-yield investments, and unexpected financial opportunities await you. January 2025 is not just a time to thrive. This is your moment to build a foundation that will last for years to come. Confirm your journey by declaring, "I use the power of detail and strength to achieve abundance." With this statement, you are not just stating your intentions. You are signaling to the universe that you are ready to receive the abundance it has in store. Cancer, this January brings a wave of support and opportunity unlike anything you have ever experienced before. Your ruling planet, the Moon, is making significant movements, filling the air with energy and strengthening emotional connections. This is your time to tap into your natural sensitivity and blend it with the support of your loved ones and community. To create a solid financial foundation, Cancer, you are not just the heart of your family, you are its leader. This month, you will step into a new role, managing shared resources and taking advantage of opportunities that are completely aligned with your values. From real estate ventures to family-driven business ideas, everything is falling into place. The universe is arranging pathways for you that open doors to financial resources and unexpected benefits. Imagine this: a sudden opportunity has arisen, a lucrative real estate deal, a family business, or even unexpected financial support from someone close to you. These opportunities will bring not only monetary rewards, but also a sense of unity and purpose that aligns with your core. Cancer, it is time to turn those opportunities into growth, building a future that not only benefits yourself, but also those you love. Cancer, the Moon, your guiding celestial force, shines brightly this month, heightening your intuition and deepening your understanding of the opportunities around you. This January, your sensitivity and emotional intelligence are more than just personal qualities, they are your greatest strength. With the support of the universe, you will find your instincts sharper than ever, allowing you to navigate critical decisions with clarity and confidence. Opportunities related to family, community, or shared asset management will focus on trusting your natural ability to connect deeply with others and using your mindfulness to turn your efforts into remarkable achievements. These opportunities, whether it's a family business project, a real estate venture, or support from close friends, the stars are aligned to guide you to powerful successes. But remember, Cancer, true abundance is about more than material wealth. As Buddhist teachings remind us, happiness is found in sharing and gratitude. The blessings you receive this month are not just for you, they are tools to create strength, joy, and sustainability for those around you. When you share your success with your loved ones and your community, you will make significant financial gains that build connections that will last a lifetime. Think about it: the people closest to you become the keys to unexpected opportunities. Family-driven investment, a community project, or the unwavering support of loved ones can open doors you never thought possible. This is a time not only to strengthen your finances, but to deepen the bonds that matter most. Let your intuition and the energy of the moon guide you as you identify opportunities that may not be others will notice. Cancer, this is your moment to maximize the resources around you and turn them into extraordinary achievements. Express your readiness by affirming, "I receive support and prosperity from my family and community." This simple yet profound statement is more than words. It is a signal to the universe that you are open to receiving incredible opportunities in the future. Trust that the universe is listening and ready to respond in ways beyond your imagination. As we close, take a few moments to contemplate the many possibilities for you. January 2025. Success and prosperity are not just about receiving, it comes from surrendering yourself to the energy of the universe. This month, the stars form a rare alignment, creating a powerful synergy between Pluto, Mars, and the Sun. This cosmic trio paves the way for you to excel financially and grow personally. Imagine yourself standing on the edge of endless opportunity. Wealth, joy, and success are ahead, waiting for you to seize them. From billion-dollar jackpots to profitable business deals and unexpected success, it is no coincidence that the universe is sending you the message you deserve these incredible gifts. Don't let this moment pass you by. Affirm your desires with the words, "I was born to embrace eternal wealth and abundance." This is not just a statement, it is a declaration to the cosmos that you are ready to receive the abundance prepared for you. Trust the universe and it will respond in ways you never dreamed. According to Buddhist philosophy, abundance is not measured solely in material gains. True wealth lies in gratitude, generosity, and the spirit of giving. As you receive blessings this month, don't forget to share your success, spreading positive energy to your loved ones and community. This is how you maintain and multiply your success, creating a life that is not only abundant but deeply meaningful. January 2025 is no ordinary month. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity to change your destiny through the transformative power of Pluto, the focus and determination of the Sun, and the energy of Mars that drives decisive action. You hold the key to a brighter future. Be brave, take action, seize every opportunity. This is your golden moment to make your dreams a reality. If you have been inspired by this message, take one step further. Share this with others who could benefit from these insights. Like this message, share this with friends, and subscribe to stay connected to valuable guidance about the stars, your destiny, and the endless abundance that awaits you. Remember, the universe is always on your side, guiding you on your journey to greatness.